If you're the kind of woodworker who wants to get the most out of your tool investment, you're going to love the newest accessory for Woodpeckers Woodworking Rules, the 4590 Combo T. Woodpecker's new 4590 Combo T turns any size Woodpecker's Woodworking Rule into a T-square. But that's not all. Depress the locking button and rotate the head until it snaps in at a perfect 45-degree angle. Now you can lay out octagons and 45-degree miters up to 49.5 inches long. Assembling the 4590 Combo T to your woodworking rule couldn't be simpler. 2 flathead machine screws thread into the rule and pull the head into alignment. Leave it on all the time or install it just when you need it. It's up to you. In addition to holding the rule perpendicular to your material, the 4590 also gives you a perfect end reference when measuring. You know the 0 point of the rule is right at the edge of your stock. That makes transferring dimensions to material a snap. The 4590 Combo T comes complete with a wall-mountable racket to keep it right in plain sight and always ready to go. The racket holds the 4590 with a rule installed, or by itself. There's even more to love about Woodpecker's Woodworking Rules when you pair them up with the 4590 Combo T. Order yours today.